So today we're going to show you how you can set your sheet up so that all the columns automatically go to the size of the data that you're typing in. So let's say we want to do address. You see how that came in, street address, and then that expands. So 1, 2, 3 Fig Street, and then that will automatically get larger. You can do it by following these steps. So step 1 is to right click on the sheet name, then go to view code, change from general to worksheet, then type in cells.entire column.autofit. Now when you type in words into your columns, these will automatically change the size. And there you go. So this allows you to automatically set up your entire sheet to be able to change the width of every column as you type into it to automatically fit what you've written. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.